What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook kitchen. Today we are making one of my favorite budget-friendly recipes of all time. I especially love this after a nice hard workout. We are making tuna stuffed red potatoes. Now what I love about this meal, besides the fact that it keeps some money in my pocket, is just how versatile these things are. These darn tasty stuffed potatoes are so good. You could even enjoy them as hearty snacks in between meals if you want to forego the hummus and celery. But also these are great at parties and great at get-togethers at your house. The Greek yogurt in this recipe helps to boost the protein content and also it helps to add some creaminess to the mix. But if you want to take some of it out, you can, and you can sub in some light mayo or even some horseradish for a nice little spicy, tangy flavor. Now in the event you may have some leftover filling, don't toss that away. The filling, y'all, I'm telling you, is absolutely delicious and you can eat it cold even over a salad. I've done it many times before, but just don't waste that filling. All right, guys, if you are ready to roll up your sleeves for a very tasty budget-friendly meal prep, then let's get started. Poke a few holes in some red potatoes, then bake for 45 to 50 minutes at 400. Once baked, allow them to cool, then cut off the top. Scoop out the inside to create a bowl and set aside. Repeat with the remaining potatoes. Mash up the potato flesh, then add Greek yogurt, Dijon, garlic, dill, and chives. Mix it up well before adding in some cheddar and drained tuna. Add a pinch of sea salt and pepper along with some olive oil, then mix it up. Add the filling to each potato. Then top them off with pepper and a pinch of cheddar. Bake for another 15 to 20 minutes. Enjoy these bad boys with some grilled veggies. My favorite is to cook some garlicky grilled asparagus with a little lemon. Boom! All right, y'all, that is it for today's recipe. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. I cannot wait to see how y'all customize it for your own diets while also keeping it healthy. And with that in mind, I invite y'all to comment your suggestions and ideas below on what you all would do to this recipe as well so that we can pick your brain. If you like these style videos, I appreciate you hitting that like button. And before you log off, remember to subscribe in case you have not already. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Until next time, you already know what it is. I want y'all to keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Boom! Bye, guys.